Do you have access to clean drinking water in your home? Let me rephrase my question. What is your understanding about water and sanitation and the health issues associated with it? I hope you must be educated about it. Do you realize that there are still people in this world who have not taken bath for several years? The best example that I can recall is that when first time people of Afghanistan got rid of that Taliban ruling because of American invasion, they took bath almost after 10 years. Can you imagine? Just think about countries who fight each other only because they want to improve their chances of accessing water. In Gulf countries, would you believe that water is even costlier than oil? Crude oil, I mean. We must have realized by now how precious this water as a natural resource is. Interestingly, I want to give you one statistical information. We have access to only 2% of underground water that is fit for any kind of domestic usage. Rest 98% is either water that is available in the ocean or surface runoff water that are heavily polluted that may not be deemed to be fit for human consumption. Let us try to understand this concept with the help of a hypothetical example. Try to imagine a world where everyone, like Daniel, our character in this story, a young boy with dreams as clear as water, has access to safe and clean water. This is exactly the essence that I am trying to give for the sixth sustainable development goal, that is access to clean water and sanitation. By 2030, the goal is to ensure that everyone has access to safe and affordable drinking water. But my dear friends, how do we make this vision a reality? That is, by respecting the fact that clean water is fundamental to life. It is not just about quenching your thirst by ensuring that water does not become a source of illness. Yet, in many parts of the world, you can see people still lack access to clean and safe water sources, and this has leads to many water related illnesses and sufferings, especially in the countries of Africa and Middle East Asia. Let us meet our hero, Daniel, a young boy. You remember I mentioned about him a little while ago. He is from a community where clean water was like a dream for all of them. He used to spend hours and hours walking miles each day collecting a handful of water from distant and polluted sources. Then suddenly one day, a local initiative driven by dedicated individuals and organizations start building up a water plant that brings clean and safe drinking water to his community. With this basic necessity once assured, Daniel's life was transformed. The time which he used to travel for far off distance to fetch a handful of water, now he can utilize that time for his education. His physical health has also improved and his dreams began to take shape. Daniel is now representing those not so privileged individuals who had to struggle hard just to get a bucket of water every single day. What we can do, like Daniel, as young advocates for clean water and sanitation, your efforts can change lives. Try to support organizations providing clean water access in undeserved areas. Raise awareness about the conservation of water and the importance of sanitation. Try to lead by example in your locality by making responsible water choices and educating your peers. Don't waste water. Make sure that you close the tap after washing your hand with soap. Or if you see any dripping, any leakage in your locality, immediately bring it to the notice of your management and get it repaired. Our generation can help ensure that everyone has the right to clean water and a healthy life. Let us not waste water anymore. We make sure that we always use it judiciously. In summary, clean water and sanitation is about transforming lives by ensuring that clean water is within everyone's reach. We have seen that Daniel's story illustrates the life-changing impact of clean water access. By participating actively in initiatives that provide clean water and proper sanitation, you also become an essential part of making this vision a reality. सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स बहुत ही बढ़िया टॉपिक है। अगर अभी तक आपको कुछ डाउट है, कुछ संदेह या समझने में कोई दिक्कत है, पिछले एपिसोड्स को ट्यून इन कीजिए। आपको बहुत मजा आएगा सुन के। बहुत मेहनत कर रहा हूँ इसको एक एंटरटेनिंग तरीके से आप लोगों के सामने पेश करने के लिए। कमेंट्स में लिख के बताइएगा कैसा रहा यह पॉडकास्ट और इससे आपको कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है या नहीं। और अगर हाँ तो ज़रूर अपने दोस्तों में इसे बांटिए, शेयर कीजिए नॉलेज और बस पॉडकास्ट का मजा लीजिए। आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। I hope that you found this episode helpful. In the next episode, we will discuss or we will bring some other idea or concept in order to become better version of yourself. I thank you for being with me and listening to this podcast. This is your host signing off.